What's up, guys? It's Brandon Flash. Today you are joining me in West Hollywood, Los Angeles, California, and we are at the Tesla Diner, the busiest charging station in the world. Today's video is brought to you by Tubetoolkit.com. Tired of spending hours writing titles, descriptions, and tags for every video? With Tubetoolkit, just paste your YouTube link and AI generates optimized titles, SEO descriptions, timestamps, tags, and more in seconds. Plus AI thumbnails, shorts ideas, CTR scored titles, and full SEO toolkit. Start free with 3 videos a month. Upgrade anytime as your channel grows. Tubetoolkit.com. Turn your videos into content gold. Thank you to Tubetoolkit for sponsoring today's video. So as I mentioned, here we have it, the Tesla Diner, the infamous, famous, whatever you want to call it, Tesla Diner. Love it, hate it. You can feel as you feel about it. The food was pretty good. I just ate inside. But this is an 80-stall Tesla version 3.5 Supercharger, and this is the busiest fast charging site in the world from every data source that I can find. According to Tesla, this site has about 1,600 charges per day, which equates to about 20 sessions per stall per day. And that might not mean much to most people, and understandably so, but most sites don't see anywhere near that level of utilization. Most sites are lucky to see somewhere around the 4 to 5 sessions per stall per day, whereas this sees about 20, which is absolutely crazy. Right now, the site is relatively full. There's still some open stalls, of course, but it looks like kind of did a little bit of a wave here and some stalls cleared out. There is one stall down here that they have coned off there, stall 5D, so that's nice to see. You have these massive TV screens on both sides. You have 6 Starlinks there. And this is going to be a little bit different of a tour than you guys are normally used to seeing of the Tesla Diner, since everyone and their mother has done a tour of this site. From a non-technical perspective of the food, the inside, all that fun stuff. But we're going to get a little bit more technical here. We have a 3750 kVA transformer right there. We have a 5,000 amp 480-277 switchboard right here. Absolutely massive. And this site actually has 20 of Tesla's 387 kVA, or about 360 kilowatt supercharger cabinets to serve the 80 stalls. It also has these massive solar canopies. So you have 3 of them here. This one's kind of a double width overhang. You have a large transformer here from the 480-277 down to 208-120. That, as far as I can tell, is likely to serve the store itself, or not the store, the diner itself, being that typically commercial buildings like that are served by 208 rather than by 480. You can see the row of cabinets here. So these are the version 3.5 cabinets. Another switchboard here. This one appears to be a 2,000 amp. So this is actually a 120-208 panel in this section right here. And then that appears to be a 480-277. You have trash cans all around, of course, which is nice. You can hear all the air conditioning, all the fans ripping on this hot day. It is 86 degrees out here in LA, which is actually apparently a little bit on the cooler side compared to what it has been recently. It is 4 o'clock on a Thursday, so I would say this is not even peak time, but it is quite busy here. We also have another 3750 kVA transformer, another 1500 kVA transformer, so you have a lot of power here. You can see parking for vehicle charging only. Over here you have a medium voltage or potentially even high voltage kind of junction switching termination compartment. And you can see just the massive amount of equipment here. Water main. Trash cans all around. Someone actually bought a Model Y Standard. There's a lot of Cybertrucks here, more than I think I've ever seen in one place at a time. You can see we're getting up to 14B, 11 over here. Not sure where 20 stalls are. So over there we have 20D. So there you can see, so that would be the 80th stall. And then let's just walk inside the diner, show you guys that. But just had to make a quick video while I was here. I'm actually driving a Cybertruck today. That's a story for another day. And it's nice to see the variety of vehicles here as well. So we have a BZ, I think that is, or one of the many variants, actually a CHR, I guess, next to Escalade IQ. So that's kind of a funny picture there. Makes the CHR just look absolutely tiny. And we'll go inside and I'll show you guys upstairs, which is pretty cool. And hopefully, I'll probably have to mute this so we don't get copyrighted, but hopefully we can skip that. Got some of the Cybertruck stuff there. Restroom, stairs, an original Bumblebee. Kind of an early Optimus thing there. There's actually quite a few stairs to go upstairs here. Here we have Optimus Gen 1 with the aesthetic overhaul. So pretty cool to see that. You got the Texas belt buckle. And here you guys can see from above. Got Flintstones, I think that is. Jetsons? Yeah, Jetsons playing. And you can just see the massive scale here and kind of how these different spots connect. You got your merch counter up here. And some offices and all sorts of other stuff all around. Well, anyway, hopefully you guys enjoyed this brief tour. Just had to make a video while I was here. If you haven't already, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. We'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you guys for watching.